Alright, so here's a Chapter 2, Section 1 homework, and I want to show you how to use StatCrunch to help you do some of this. The first thing, if you click on this icon, the table will pop up, and it says Open in StatCrunch. And so StatCrunch is the program that we want to use, and so I'm going to click on that, and it will open it into StatCrunch. I'm going to try to zoom us forward a little bit. Hold on. Alright, so it brings up all these values over here in variable 1. So if I want to make a table, I'm going to go to Stats and then to Table, and I want to make a frequency table. So go to Stats, Tables, Frequency Table, and I'm going to choose variable 1 because that's where it put it. And I'm going to tell it to compute. There's a whole bunch of other things that I could hit here. I'm just going to go ahead and hit compute, and bam, up comes a frequency table. So this frequency table should help us when we're entering these value ones. So the frequency gives me the count, and then if it asks for relative frequency in the next part, which I imagine it does, I have those values there. So while we're in this question though, I want to play with StatCrunch some more. I would like to make a graph of this data. And so in Chapter 2, Section 1, they talk about bar charts and pie charts. So if I go to graph, well, let's make a bar chart. Now I don't have a summary of the data, I have all the raw data. So I'm going to hit with data and a variable 1, and I'm going to tell it to do stuff, compute, and up comes a lovely bar chart. That's a nice looking bar chart. If I want to make a pie chart, graph, pie chart, right now I do have my raw data and variable 1, I'm going to tell it to do stuff, and it'll give me this nice pie chart. It tells me what the counts are, what the percentage of each one is, which is our relative frequency. And so this is a nice picture of our data. So again, if you want to make a table, go to Stats, Tables, and do a frequency table. If you want to make the graphs, go to Graph, Bar Plot, or Pie Chart, and it'll make those for you.